Hi and welcome back to today's Morning Report on Friday the 6th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antic Markets. Let's look at dollar yen on non-farm payrolls day, and we've got a slight air of sort of dollar weakness as the European session is just beginning to gather a little bit of momentum. You're now 30 ticks down on the day, and we've had this recovery on the dollar yen in the last few days. Pretty, I mean, that was a bull hammer, that's fine, but then you've got these couple of candles that were not all that sort of significantly positive to the upside. 40 ticks again there, and then sort of another 25 ticks yesterday. But look at this just unwinding back to this old floor of 107.60 to 107.80. That has been basically the level that's come in. Yesterday's high 107.50. So you sort of backing away from that resistance already. And you'd look at these momentum indicators. Certainly the MACD lines are bearishly configured still. No real sign at all of any improvement. The RSI is still very sort of, I would say, wishy-washy. Is not really taken hold of any sort of rally. Neither has really the stochastics either. So, I mean, the stochastics have turned up, but again, they're beginning to roll over already. So, it's an interesting move that we're seeing. The fact that I mean, I continue to believe that rallies are going to be sold into on dollar yen. It's just that at the moment, you've got this big overhead resistance at 107.60 to 107.80, which is sort of holding back the rally today. I think if payrolls comes in strongly, then you could see a bigger rally. Obviously, 107.80, sorry, 108.70 is the next level to watch out for, and then 109.70, sort of 75, being that old key high, which actually formed the base pattern. But in the last couple of days, it's really been sort of more of a consolidation, hasn't it? Really, sort of the recovery has lost momentum. It's sort of turned far more neutral. So you'd look out for obviously the near-term support 106.23. I mean, you could argue that the support today comes in at 106.78, but it's sort of very tight. So it'd be better to look out for 106.23. If you lost that, then I think you're probably back towards the lows again, 105.52. But it's just consolidating, I think, in front of payrolls, and I think payrolls will give this direction in the very near term. I think payrolls will drive dollar yen, but then ultimately I think you're going to get more of a yen strengthening coming back through. And I don't necessarily think that we're done with the sell-off quite yet. So I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.